Good morning from Dingboche. This is my window view. Nangupong na guys. This is my face now. Minom tog tubig bro. Nag-ice ang tubig. Still Diba kung bintana na yung mga flakes. Yeah. Mahusay. This is my we're in
Tea house.
a tea house. Good luck hotel tea house. Very cozy. Only me and my guide and then the lady. Wala kayo kay December man karon so mingaw kayo ang trail house wala bisita. Which is an advantage if you want a peace and quiet nga Everest Base Camp. Yeah, should be during the winter season. Pero mingaw kayo. Pero okay po, lingaw siya. Yeah. Everything is frozen. Guys, tanan mga sapa, water bottle. Guys, tanan. Yeah, guys, wala snow pero wapoy tubig, puro ice. Wala snowfall. Then all water stream are frozen. Payong umisa Loboche.
यो पछि एकजना छ अलि लास्टमा तर म आउँदिनँ त्यही मान्छे पठाउँछु त्यही नाम्चीसँग
The other day I was with an Indian guy. Now I'm with the Koreans. Koreans. And we are talking about Sandara Park. I told him about how popular Sandara Park in the Philippines first, then became popular in South Korea. But they don't know about Ryan Bang. Only Sandara Park. Yeah. Hey crow, what are you doing? Luto. Init ng tubig. Init ng tubig via satellite. We're having a stop here in, what's the name of this restaurant? Tukla restaurant.
Lugla.
It's very hard. I'm gonna get my Korean company.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hello. I'm
Yeah.
going to the
We'll be trekking
Kalapatra.
up to the base camp this time. Yesterday and the other day it was the Indian guy. Now it's the Korean. Ah, very high. Grabe. Pinaka worst day ever. Along the way, nalipong ako. Grabe katugnaw. Kaging kong kamot. Nalipong na ako sa dalan. Sayang rin. Grabe yung naning Everest Base Camp. Di na yung kumusang. Kitong tangkugo. Tanan nalipong. Hindi ko kaunaw tarong. Pero naka-vlog ako. Ay. Saan kayo ginawa? Kamalo nga baklay. Ganun nga na kung ginawa. Di na ilong ang ginawa. Ang sickness. Grabe. Diligin na dyan yung imang joke. But here, my view, this is the Gorakship Valley. Yeah, we'll be walking in the Valley of Glaciers. Yeah, grabe. The most hurot gahom kinubay. Ginoo lang. Isalig lang yung Ginoo. Hindi niya madalag. Tambal-tambal. Ano lang. Ambo lang yung taman. Naging sa Gorakship. The last village for the Everest Base Camp. Minute to minute after this Everest Base Camp. So good luck to me. God bless you, Bernard Gabon. Finally heading to the base camp, Everest Base Camp. Maraming paluya. Kung banood to is garlic rice. I mean garlic soup and rice. Yeah, it's now or never. It's ayun ang base camp. Kami mag-altitude sickness ka. Not easy.
Banner, your flag inside the pocket.
Well done, you made it.
Yeah, thank you so much. Finally, we're at the Everest Base Camp. And of course, salamat sa Ginoo. Kaya na ako'y kahit ko ang guide niya.
Everest Base Camp finally today. We made it.
Actually, lipong kay ko. I don't know what to do actually. I don't know what to say. But, you know, I'm so proud I'm here in Everest Base Camp. Yeah. Oo ko ba sa history na ako. Yeah. Sa mga vlogs man good. Ang sayong na kayang Everest Base Camp pagtuon pero reality is tag na nakita niyo ng kining bato ha oh. Yeah, there's the bato. Nga dako. But before ka makaagto sa bato, magis kaning mga bato po nga ang ilalong glacier kasi lihok.
Pumari.
Yeah, glacier. Yeah.
Pumari.
And then this mountain.
Pumari.
And yeah.
And Everest. Look there, Everest.
Yeah.
Everest.
Somewhere behind.
Yeah.
Very tiny unya. Makita na po na ako sa inyo.
1,840 Everest.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
And
let's say
yeah, unyang taon-taon tingog na po ning ilalom kay the glacier, right?
glacier.
The glacier will.
Big glacier.
Yeah, it may make a sounds as if may mga buwak mga bato. Yeah. So ako may pinakayaya sa tanan. That's why hapon na kami nakaabot. And then katong mga uban ng mga takers. Nagulan na sila naog. So yeah. Dili sayon. What you see is not what you get. So reality versus expectation na ng vlog sa kuan. Siguro isa pod ka factors na is nag-altitude sickness ko. Yeah, for several days na. But then thanks to my guide. Bisa nagluya na kay ko, siya nagtalad ng wala ko'y ginabit-bit karon. Siya na. He carries all the baggage. And now we're here finally. Everest Base Camp. I'm so proud actually. Adi ma-proud man yun ka kay pila raw ni kalugas maabot taon to sa ano bakiros ni Pal. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. And of course ako mga supporters nako ito kagyan di or bukid nun. Akong asawa, akong baby. Yan. So mamang So wala gyud ko niya for the first time wala ko niya giaway. Yeah, to my mamang and to Zoe. I'm here. We were just watch Rotan before together sa Everest Base Camp. And you have questions, so many questions about Everest. I can now answer those questions to you direct from you. Yeah. So we're gonna be going back to Gurak ship. Yeah, and it's not easy. I will suffer again. But again, yeah. Salamat kay sa Ginoo. Sana ako yaning labad kay sa ulo. Iya kong taga-guide nga. Grabe ka. Tinabang. Pinanggaon sa iyang client. I feel like importante ko sa iya. Yeah. So we have to go back to Gurak ship. Which is layo pa kayo na po. Yeah, mangutan naman sa kong gibati karon lutaw kayo. O kabalo sa kong kuanin. Basta ka nang kulang oxygen ba. Dili kayo kaunaw-naw og tarong. Init, tugnaw, lutang. Di ka kabalon sa istorya kay ang lips gahi kayo. Thank God. Yay kong giubanan ando diri. Tulig ang Ginoo kay pasalamatan natin lagi. Bisan pa sa ka powerful kung tayo nagluyang lawas na. Guide nga sang gabon.